Hello friends, as you can see today was the massacre on the street. The market shed almost 500 points in a day and is settled now on in red of 468 points. Nifty. Today was one of those days when the selling was very high and there was no respite in the market. Nothing came, no one came and nothing came to the rescue of the market. Everywhere selling was there and there was no other way to go long in the market. So we, on the previous video, we have decided, discussed here that once this market, once the Nifty goes below this 17,500, we can short aggressively. And it happened here. This candle we have seen here, it went directly from here to there and without any respite. It's a very huge 500 point fall. So there was no thinking about anything and the shorters made very good trade. See, we are traders, so we either market falls sharply or rises sharply, we can make money if our entry pattern is right. Let's see where we made our entries. See, this was the point. It opened here, and when this candle breached, when this candle breached here, we initiated our short. At this point, our stop loss was this simple. 560 was the stop loss. We entered on 17,560, and this 560 was the stop loss. Only 40 point stop loss, but this 40 point stop loss gave a very good risk reward. You can see straight falling, nothing came in between. We just drew this line and the stock kept, the market kept falling, and we booked somewhere around here because it was at around 2 p.m. because after 2 p.m. we know that always move comes very fast and swift, mostly on the opposite direction. So around 2 p.m. we booked our profit here. So it was a very good, almost 500 point move in the Nifty. Now let's see how it's going to fare on the next day. See, tomorrow it's a pre-budget fall, very good fall, and tomorrow we can see that it's a very big candle. So this no trade zone is very big here. From here to this, in between this region, usually we don't trade within the candles. So inside candle we don't take any trade, and it's such a big candle that nothing could be the stop loss and all these things following traditionally is very difficult here. So tomorrow what we will wait for 1 hour initially. After 10 a.m. We will seek for the initial balance and we'll watch our initial balance. If 1 hour candle gets broken on the upper side, then we will go for the long, and if it gets broken on the downside, then again we will go for the short. If the market goes below this line, 17,000, if it goes below 17,000, we will again short it for this area somewhere around 16,400 or some like this. So this could be this area. And the funny thing is this, the interesting thing is this, if you can see the last move which was here, let's just check from here to here. It is almost 10% of the Nifty, and now it's only 2.5 or 3% here. So this more than 50% of the gain is gone in this downside. A healthy correction, a healthy pullback comes mostly up to 20 to 30%, most a max 50%, but this is not a healthy correction, we would say. It's not a pullback, it's a very huge correction, it's a falling market. So I will not advise you to buy the dips. No, this is not the time to buy the dips. We don't know how long it will go down, so that's why we are not taking any stock trade for tomorrow. Once the market will confirm, once the market will move above this line, this 17,600, then only we will initiate any trade in the stock, cash market or in stock in long position. Let's see how Bank Nifty performed. Bank Nifty was better. Bank Nifty only retraced up to 50% of the previous whole trend, and then it went back. The buying came here, and it is there again. This seems good from our perspective rather than Nifty. Bank Nifty, bank's results are also coming good today. This Axis Bank result announced, and Axis Bank has given a very good result. Tomorrow may even the ICICI, SDFC, all numbers were good. So there is some sort of buying should be going on in Bank Nifty, and today Bank Nifty sustained in the initial hours when Nifty was down around 200 or more points. It was less than 200 points. Bank Nifty's fall was less than Nifty, and then suddenly it started moving when the Nifty fell very high. Then it started also following. How long can it sustain? But we can see here that in this case, again, this area no trade zone is very big here, and what we can do that we'll wait for confirmation for any long trend. We will take long trade only when the price goes above this area, this 37,600, and if it opens around 36,900 yesterday and it starts moving up, we will immediately take a long, definitely with a very short, small, stop loss, and our target will be this only, 37,700. And if it starts falling here, again we will take a short position from here with a stop loss of 37,600 and with the target of this only. And those who want to avoid tomorrow, you can avoid the trade. Only those who are very willing and very much quick in executing the trades, those persons are only, they should take the trade tomorrow. Otherwise you should wait. It's not necessary to take trade every day. Tomorrow the volatility is very high and the choppiness is very high, so try to avoid it. Maybe tomorrow we are expecting an inside candle in both the indices, so let's see how it's faring tomorrow, and then only we will decide our structure, our trade. This was the previous support zone which Bank Nifty broke here, and this area we might be seeing that tomorrow some kind of green or some kind of a small candle, inside candle, which within this area could be formed here. So let's see how the market is faring tomorrow, and hope you did today very nicely if you have traded in the direction of the trade. And tomorrow then we will try to see how the market is going and where the direction tomorrow. Most probably the market should be, or maybe the directionless, so the choppiness could be there. Try to avoid it if there is any case like this only. And in case you like the video, definitely so you should please share, like and subscribe our video, so that you will get in future all the notifications and all in time, and we can bring more videos for you. Okay, till then, happy trading. Have a nice day.